Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Gold Evolution EA, an expert advisor available for MT4. We're just going to go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, look at the features included in the free edition, discuss the available setup information, and then talk about how to approach the historical testing results when evaluating the system. So starting with the Marketplace page, Gold Evolution is available as a free download and is currently listed as version 1.26. According to the developer, this is the free edition of a professional, rule-based expert advisor designed to help traders evaluate the core logic of the system before considering the full version. Now, the description explains that the EA originated from a discretionary gold trading concept and was later adapted into an automated trading system. Okay, so the overall focus appears to be on structured execution, controlled risk, and rule-based operation rather than aggressive recovery techniques. Now, as I continue through the product page, the developer specifically states that the EA does not use martingale, grid trading, or hedge logic, right? So that's an important detail because these are methods many traders actively look for when assessing risk exposure. The free version does come with some limitations though. It operates with a fixed minimum lot size, or includes restricted functionality compared to the paid version, and is intended primarily for evaluation and familiarization rather than providing the complete feature set available in the professional edition. Now, looking at the recommended markets, the developer lists XAU USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, GBP USD, AUD USD, and Euro JPY. The recommended time frame for all supported symbols is M1. The setup instructions are straightforward. The EA should be attached to only one M1 chart per symbol. Okay, there is also a symbol suffix input for brokers that use symbol extensions, and traders are advised to verify their broker's GMT settings and make adjustments only if necessary. So moving into the feature discussion, one thing that stands out is the emphasis on simplicity, right? The developer notes that no set files are required, which can make installation and initial testing more convenient. The entire design appears to focus on keeping the evaluation process straightforward for users who want to understand how the product operates. Now, let us transition into the back testing section. When reviewing any historical testing results, it is important to remember that we are looking at historical analysis rather than future expectations, okay? Backtesting allows us to see how an expert advisor responded to previous market conditions, but it cannot predict future performance, right? So let us start by looking at the provided information here. I can see USD JPY 2010 to 2022. I can see initial deposit $1,000, total net profit over $51,700, right? And then here I can see total trades 5,075, profit trades were 3,337 with a 65.75% win rate. Okay, so here this is USD CAD, win rate here is 70.35%. Total net profit over $19,000. This is GBP USD, total net profit over $15,000, win rate 79.19%. This is XAU USD, over $45,000 in net profit, 78.27% win rate. All right, so the growth curve also looks pretty interesting. Well, the growth curve is quite steady. Okay, this is USD JPY 2008 to 2018, over $13,000 in net profit, all right, with a 67.11% win rate. Now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how this EA performed in 2026 over the past 3 months. Actually, we're testing the Gold Evolution EA on XAU USD on the M1 time frame as recommended, and we're using the every tick model. Okay, so looking at the result, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative $41.5, and the total trades taken were 108, out of which 92 were profitable, giving us an 85.19% win rate, right? And then the largest profit was 80.24, while the largest loss was 107.16, right? And then here the average profit was 10.84 and the average loss was 64.91. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. Yeah, because we can see that the difference between the average profit and the average loss is actually much. Okay, but then let's head over to our strategy tester. We're going to turn on the visuals and then let's see how the EA looks like in action, right? So when reviewing any historical testing results, it is important to remember that we are just looking at historical analysis rather than future expectations. Okay, back testing allows us to see how an expert advisor responded to previous market conditions, but it cannot predict future performance. So as I go through the historical chart activity and the completed testing data, the goal is to observe how the EA followed its predefined rule-based structure over the selected test period. Since the developer does not disclose specific entry or exit algorithms, it is important not to assume additional strategy details beyond what is provided on the marketplace page, right? So I can also see here, this is free. This free version just opens sell stop orders. So this is actually, a warning. If you want to trade any lot size, both directions, you must buy the full version. Okay, so this is telling us that this free version has a major limitation of opening just sell stop orders. Okay, even though here I can also see buy stop orders are, also being set with stop loss. You can see that fixed stop loss are also being set, right? But for those limitations to be out of the picture, the interested party would need to get the full version. Now, historical charts can still be useful, for understanding overall trade behavior, execution consistency, and how the system, reacted across different market environments during testing. But I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Now, as for the results, any historical testing performance should be interpreted carefully. Actual outcomes can vary depending on lot size, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, account configuration, and any optimization performed by the user. Overall, the Gold Evolution EA is a free MT4 expert advisor designed as an introduction to the developer's broader trading framework. It focuses on rule-based execution, avoids martingale, grid, and hedge techniques, supports multiple symbols on the M1 time frame, and offers a simple setup process for traders who want to evaluate the system through demo testing and historical analysis before making any further decisions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.